must be Carolina calling me.
The great thing about Cabarrus County is that we have really great resources, and when we collaborate, it makes it stronger, so it makes Cabarrus County a special place to live.
The mission of the Elma C. Lomax Incubator Farm is to help train new farmers. It is a place for hands-on farmer training, but it's also a place where people are just coming together around food production and getting excited about a local food system. The average age of a farmer in Cabarrus County is 59 years old. These are people who are going to be retiring and moving out of production, and we need more and younger farmers to take their place so that the land remains in production and economically viable.
CCM's role is to provide immediate food resources to help folks who are struggling to feed their families, to provide financial assistance to help people stay in their homes, and to provide shelter and housing for those families who've already experienced that loss. And perhaps like no other community that I have come in contact with, Cabarrus County has a wonderful spirit of collaboration and cooperation where walls come down, resources come forward, and we begin to wrap our local programs and agencies around these families to provide not only stable housing and the food they need to feed their families, but employment opportunities and counseling opportunities and educational and training opportunities so that families can rebuild and reestablish their stability so that they can achieve independence and they can be stable again and move beyond crisis and then turn around and offer that help to someone else.
Some of the greatest accomplishments of the Healthy Lives, Healthy Futures program is that we have trained over 200 volunteers to teach exercise classes throughout 3 counties. We have over 40 exercise classes occurring weekly at about 30 church sites. And we have also administered a Biggest Loser Challenge 3 years in a row, and each year we average about 600 pounds lost among about 10 churches.
Through the Southeastern Diabetes Initiative, we're able to leverage a lot of the resources and get information out to those that need it most, be it those that have type 2 diabetes or those that are working to prevent it. And we do that by working with our local health care system through CMC Northeast. We also work very closely with their faith-based initiatives, be through nutrition, providing exercise classes, walking groups. We're really thankful that we have those partners.
Discovering a Healthy Life is more than a brand. It's a way of living for our citizens. We are a community of people who are really on the move. We are on the move in our work and our play and in our worship. Exercise is good for our health, and so we want to make and add to that. Last year, we paved over a mile of new sidewalks in our community, and next year, we have plans for over 2.5 miles of new sidewalks. That will do a lot of things, but one thing very important, it will allow kids to walk to school safely. And that's really what a community is all about. It's not buildings and roads and those kinds of things. It's about people reacting and interacting with other people. We're convinced that that is the best way that we can build our community for the future.
I love that Cabarrus County is willing to build on its best, but is still open to change.